At Brandywine Valley Heating and Air Conditioning, we've expanded our headquarters to better serve everyone in our community. But we're still family-owned, still local, and still doing things the right way, just like we've been doing for over 30 years. From homes to businesses, we handle it all. Residential and commercial maintenance and installations done by master-class technicians you can trust. We're a trained comfort specialist with an in-house metal shop, so every job is built to last. Brandywine Valley Heating and Air Conditioning. Comfort with care since 1993.